Are you gonna help me with the gear?
Colonel Sharp, we have an inbound unidentified infiltrator 10 miles out.
Unidentified aircraft, you are in restricted U.S. military airspace. Walk ident and proceed east out of the area. Raptors 1 and 2, snap to heading 250 to intercept. Bogey's in the weeds 10 miles out, not squawking. Unidentified aircraft, we will escort you to U.S. SOC-CENT Air Base. If you do not comply, we will use deadly force.
Copy on the bogey. Tail, 4500 X-ray.
Sir, it says here 4500 X was shot down 3 months ago, Afghanistan.
It's got to be a mistake. Check again, then recheck.
I did, sir. A friend of mine was on that chopper.
Unidentified aircraft. We'll escort you to U.S. SOC-CENT.
Radar, where's the inbound?
Bogey's 5 miles out, sir.
My wife on?
Yes, Captain.
Ah, my ladies! Oh my goodness, look at her. She's getting so big. Look at those cheeks. I just want to chew on them. Baby, we made a good-looking kid. I know that people say that all the time, but wow, we made one good-looking kid. Nice work.
She has your laugh.
She laughed?
Her first one, yeah.
You sure she didn't just fart?
No, she's a lady. She doesn't know you yet, but she will.
4500X, something's not right.
Bogey's on the deck.
Whoa. Radar's jammed. It's coming from the chopper.
Well?
Sarah. Hey. Sarah, if you can hear me, I'd love to know if you home soon. Check fire!
MH-53 pilot, power down now. Have your crew step out or we will kill you.
Open fire! Stay by the gate! Good. They bombed me at Jennifer! We're under attack! It's going after the files!